Qatar Gas Toolbox Talk, Waste Management. Waste. Waste means any substance, matter, or thing which is generated as a result of work and abandoned whether or not it has been processed or stockpiled before being dumped. Waste management. Waste management is all the activities and actions required to manage waste from its start to its final disposal, including its minimization, transfer, storage, segregation, and recycling. It also includes the legal and regulatory framework that relates to waste management, including guidance on recycling, etc. Do. Reduce. Store materials neatly to avoid damage and loss. Think of ways to reduce waste. Reduce the amount of waste created on site. Keep materials in their packaging to protect from damage. Prepare for reuse. Reuse materials until no longer fit for purpose. Example, shuttering, fencing. Reuse materials for alternative purposes. Example, use old shuttering ply for protection. Recycle materials where possible. Segregate different waste types. Store waste in the appropriate skip or container until removed from site. Make sure skips are labeled clearly. Housekeeping. Clear up when work is carried out. Waste hierarchy. Reduce, reuse, recycle, and final disposal. Construction generates a very large amount of waste annually, with a large proportion of materials simply thrown away without being used. It is important to minimize waste. In priority order, prevention of waste. If it does occur, preparing for reuse before considering recycling. If it can't be recycled, then other recovery, disposal of the waste to landfill. Everyone on site must follow this plan when waste occurs. Color code of waste skips. Class I. Red, hazardous waste, waste oil and oily solids, combustible, waste oil, lubricants, oily or chemically, non-sulfur, contaminated soil. Waste chemicals, non-laboratory. Fluorescent light bulbs. Class II. Green, non-hazardous waste, domestic waste, office consumables, printer and copier toner, cartridges, packaging waste, food waste, putrescible waste, wood. Class III. Yellow, inert, NON, hazardous waste, scrap metal, plastic bottles, glass, construction demolition waste. Don't put waste materials into the wrong waste container. Open new cans or pallets before the ones in use are empty. Leave materials unprotected and where they are likely to be damaged by, for example, rain or mud. Burn or bury waste. It's illegal. Mix different types of waste. It prevents recycling. Leave materials at risk from site traffic movement.